We'll guide you through how to convert a video to audio on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you need to go and find the Shortcuts app. By default, that's going to be in the Utilities folder. You can always drag down on your phone screen and go and search for it. Press Shortcuts in the bottom left and press the plus in the top right. Swipe down and press I at the bottom and switch on Show in Share Sheet and press Done in the top right. Tap where it says Images and AT More. Press Clear in the top left and switch on Media, then press Done in the top right. Press Search at the bottom and go and type in Encode and select Encode Media. Press the arrow to the right. Switch on Audio Only and you can press Search again at the bottom. Go and type in Save File. Then what you can do is press the arrow to the right, make sure Ask Where to Save is switched on. Press the arrow at the top and press Rename. Name it what you want and press Done, and then press Done again in the top right. Go and find the video you wish to do this with, press Share in the bottom left and scroll down, find the option for Convert and go and tap on it. Choose you want to save it and press Open in the top right and let it run. When it's finished, you can open up the Files app and here it is here.